Hey, what's going on everybody? Pokary Studios here bringing you another video, and today in this video I will be showing you how to download and play the RPG Maker demo thing that I made. Now, first things first, it is currently 5 a.m. so I gotta be a little quiet, so that's why I'm not yelling for a change. So first things first, or second thing second, what you want to do is you want to open your browser and then go to YouTube. Yes, go to YouTube and then click on YouTube. Then you want to log in, of course, but I don't have time for that right now. And then you want to go to Pokary Studios, and then right here you click on the channel. You pause that, son of a bitch, and this is the video that you are looking for. Okay, so you want to click on that video. We can pause that for now, and then you click on the description, and in the description you will have several links. Now, okay, fuck this shit. So what I've done is for these three machines, Windows, Mac and Linux, for those three operating systems, I've made links. So you pick the link according to which operating system your machine has running. So I have Windows, so I'm gonna click on the Windows. I'm gonna do this for the three options, so you know how to do it for all three of them. So you want to click on that, and then right here it will redirect you to add fly. Now, it is very important that you do not click on anything in this fucking page. On this page, do not click on anything, because that is virus central. You just want to click on skip ad. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. And then right here you will get the zip file. You just download that. Don't worry, this is not the virus part, this is just a zip file, but Google Drive for some reason is not able to what's the word? I'm tired, so don't mind my English. To scan any files that are bigger than like 20 megabytes. It's crazy. So you just want to download that. Then you click on it. You wait for it to download and open. You can close the add things. You can also close this now. And what we have right here is the game file or game folder. So what you want to do with this is you just drag it onto your desktop or wherever you want to have it. Double click, and right here there are two files. Now, this is the important part. You have the README file with which has the controls both for keyboard and mouse. They're both implemented in the game because RPG Maker MV just does that. And then here you have hints. So what are these hints? This is the important part. You have to figure that out for yourself, but as you get in the game, right here, this is the game folder. Right here you can see game. You just want to double click on that, and then the game opens. Don't mind all these folders, they're just like the data of the game and what's in there and stuff. So let's go back here. Right here, as you load up a new game, listen very closely to what the developer character has to say, because there might be a secret. I'm just gonna skip over this very quickly. Right here you can type in a name, any name, oops, boom, and you're in the game. Now this is an RPG, so there's gonna be a lot of dialogue and reading. Read everything closely and you might get the secret ending. So that's how to do it for Windows via the Google Drive link. Now I'm gonna just delete that. Right, it's still opened. So these are the hints, and it'll make sense when you play the game. So next, right here is the mega links. Now what I did with the mega links is, as you can see, there is another file that you will need, the decryption key. So first you want to go to the game. Again, I will select Windows, but this will work for Mac and Linux in the exact same way. So you just click on the link, it'll take you to the site. You deny this, you don't want to allow that. Don't click on anything because it might redirect you to another site which might be a virus, so don't click on that. Just click on skip ad. You can close this. Now what I did here is I encrypted the file, so you will need a key to decrypt it or unlock it. Why did I do that? Because I'm fancy like that. I don't know. It was an option and I just went for it. So what you want to do is you want to click the description key link underneath the link that you used. So if you used the Mac link, then you want to click on this description key or decryption key. But we used Windows, so we're just going to go with this key. You click on the link again, it'll take you to this website. Just wait 5 seconds and click nothing until this button pops up. Skip ad. You click on that, you can close this. Now what this is a text file. You just download that. There's nothing to it. You just download the text file. You open that, and then right here will be the key. This is the key right there. So you want to copy that. And then right here where it says decryption key, you want to paste that. Decrypt. And then now you can just download that, and then once again you can you don't want to allow anything. Once again you can just open the game folder, drag it to your desktop, open it, and then all the stuff will be inside. And my voice is really cracking because I am really tired and this whispering isn't doing my voice any good. So you just want to drag it once again, click on it, and that's the same thing. So that is the second way of doing it. Now the third way is pretty much the same as Google Drive. You just want to click on the link according to which OS you were using. So Windows, click on the Windows link. Mac, click on the Mac link. Linux, click on the Linux link. But that's pretty obvious, I think. It is redirecting you, don't worry, just wait. Give it its time. And here we go. And this is what you want to have. Just click on the download. Don't click on anything else, you don't need anything else. And then right here it will download. When it's downloaded, you can just click on the zip, drag it onto your desktop and all that shit. And it's the same thing for the other. It's the same thing all over again. And right here something popped up. I don't know what that's about, but I don't like it. What's that? See, that's one of those links that will open. These are like, if you click on these might open. Do not click on these, just click on X, just close them, because those are the virus things. But either way, you can close out of this, and that's pretty much it. I think I went through everything. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, I guess, or if it helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more. Enjoy the game. It's just a demo. I'm still working on it. Don't worry about it. Anything else to say? Not that I know of. So either way, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I already said that, but it doesn't matter. Thanks again. And wait, something just popped in my head. I had to say something else, but I forgot. Right. What you will need to open these files, because they are zip files, and if you have an old shitty computer or just don't have WinRAR, download WinRAR or 7-zip or any other third-party software that can open zip files. I think, I'm not sure about it, but I think in Windows 10 it's like Windows has its own version of that. I don't know. Either way, the link for WinRAR and 7-zip will be in the description. You just click that link. It's the same as this. Just click on skip ad, you download that, you install that, and with that you can open these files if you don't already have 7-zip or WinRAR or any other zip opening software, which would be pretty weird to me because like all computers have that. But if you don't, just download WinRAR or 7-zip and you'll be fine. So either way, this video took way longer than I expected, but it doesn't matter. Thanks again for watching, and I'm gonna go sleep. Good night.